Hey friends, if you wish to insert a symbol or a special character in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. So a few special characters can be entered from the keyboard itself like star and all. But if you want to add something very special, then you can go to insert, okay, and then you will have to find the option for symbol and then you can click on more symbols. It will show a lot of symbols here. You can add those symbols. Simply click on insert using this, okay, and it will keep on adding it here. So this is one way that you can do it, but most of these symbols, as you can see, are currency symbols. Now you can also go to special characters and you can add it using this option here, like the em space. Okay, so this is how you can add symbols and special characters to Microsoft Word. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.